Now we're on part 2, showing how we go from this to this. 14-inch wheels to 16. Okay, here's what we're looking at. Some studs, wheel spacers, and some thread locker. And the wheel in which we're going to drill out the holes on the Mercedes to the size necessary for those Volkswagen studs. So now we'll remove the old wheels, removing the lug bolts, take the wheel off, and then begin to insert the conversion 14mm studs. Putting some thread locker on, red thread locker. And torquing to 20 pounds with a 7/32. That's odd. Putting some thread locker on. I'm not really too enthusiastic about this stud. When I tightened it, it seems like it bent, and you can see exactly what happened. I'm going to replace it with another one. When I tightened it with an Allen wrench, with only 15 pounds, it weakened, and it was supposed to be class 12.9, but definitely it is not when it's that weak with only 15 pounds per square inch on the torque wrench. So I'm not all that thrilled with the lug nut guys, and the hardness can't be 12.9 because I have much harder ones from another supplier, German, that were 10.9, and they didn't bend at all. In any case, with the 7.5 millimeter spacers, the Mercedes wheels are on with the wider low profile tires. Looks pretty good. I just need to get some additional lug nuts in the 17 millimeter head pattern to fit these wheels properly. For now, I'm using the original rear lug nuts.